Okay, so now it's like almost 5 p.m. Eastern time, Kokomo, Indiana time. And I'm not sure you can tell the wind is blowing like crazy. It's raining, not very hard, but the wind is blowing like crazy. Now, no need to judge my side. Sorry. I'm sorry. But if you can tell from the wind, whoa, look, 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 look. It's blowing like crazy. Wow. Oh my. Oh my. Oh my. I hope it will blow away Corona. You think it will do that? I don't know. Uh-oh. Oh no, we are out of electricity. Costa, you okay? Oh no. We have electricity. I gotta unplug that before. It's dark in here. Costa, let's go unplug. We don't want any electrical outage or anything. Okay. Costa, let's go. Not sure you can see outside. From the tree branches right in front of me, it is blowing like crazy. Crazy, crazy. But when I check the temperature outside, it says it's 90 degrees. 90 degrees with this rain. It's gonna be humid like crazy. Oh my. Do you see stuff flying off me? I'm not scared because I'm inside, but it will be very dangerous for somebody who's driving. Think about it. Look at the rain. Oh my. The wind is blowing like crazy. You see the hanger I have is look at her. Look at her. Whoa. Rain, please tell me now does that seem fair for Corona to stay in the USA for so long? Because we have crazy people, too many of them, a crazy president. Now he wants to mess with school reopening. Oh my goodness, what does the man want? He wanna kill us all is what it is. Oh my goodness. I'm a teacher, so obviously I wanna go back to face-to-face teaching. I wanna see my kids. But I gotta worry about their safety and my safety. We cannot just go back to school and we all die. That's not how we should live our life. At least that's how I think I don't want to live my life. What are we gonna do about sub? We barely have enough sub, and it is regular time. During this time, who wanna be a sub at school? If it were me, I don't wanna be, honestly. And we're gonna do social distancing. I don't know how we're gonna do that. And it's air circulation and hygiene and toilet. You know, I don't know. I really don't know. Obviously, I want to go back to school, face-to-face teaching, but I'm very nervous. I'm not gonna lie. I am very, very nervous. Anyway, what can we do? All we can do is Hope for the best as always. Hope for the best. Maybe something good will come out from this rain. Alright, bye everybody. Take care.